Okay, going to do a review, just a brief review of this cheap ass little thing I got off eBay, sharpened drill bits. Supposed to put them in here somewhere. Who knows if it's going to work or not, but let's soon see. It's supposed to give you the right angle and everything. Let's try not to lose a finger. Keeping in mind I've never sharpened a drill bit before in my life. So I don't know where I'm supposed to even sharpen it. Let's work it out. I dare say I'll work off that flat bit there. And let's see what happens. I'll do the other side. Oh, tight. So if I do the other side, I'm assuming I'm going to flick it over, do I? Nope. Same thing, just the other side of it. Alright, let's go. Seems to have done something to it. Doesn't look real pointy, but I would imagine it's supposed to be a bit more pointy than that. Oh well. Maybe the angle's wrong or something. Maybe it's all the same angle. Oh well. Let's try and drill with it now. I'll come back to you. Okay. Going to try and drill with it now. Just got a bit of tubing, square tube. Put a bit of oil on it. See if that helps. See if she digs in. I wasn't pushing real hard, so I don't want to burn it out. Doesn't seem to have done anything bad or to the tip. Let's try it a bit more. A bit more force. Still sharp. Oh well, I'll try and do a few that are really blunt now. Here's a good one. This one's a 10mm drill bit. And she's seen better days. Really bad. Let's try and sharpen her up. That's probably about as big as it's going to be able to do too by the look of this. Seem to have taken a chunk out of it. Let's do the other side now. Looks good on one side, looks shit on the other. I think I've taken too much off on one side. Let's try it again. Mind you, this bit's stuffed, so I don't really care if I stuff it even more. I think I'm supposed to sharpen it to a point and it's not working. Let's try it again. That looks a bit better, but let's see if it drills in the steel now. Same drill bit as the one before. I'm going to use the same hole because it's like a pilot hole anyway. That don't sound good. Whew, I tell you, you ran off a drill bit again. Someone needs to teach me how to bloody sharpen a drill bit, I think. This is after I sharpened it with an angle grinder. Tipping it's still going to smoke. This must be just rooted. Don't know. No idea.